Hey you guys, welcome back to Ash on the Line. Today we're doing an unboxing and review from The Elect. The Elect is a reseller who sells high quality clothing at an affordable price. They scour the market for the best deals, ensuring that every item they offer is of great value to their customers. They sent over some t-shirts for my fiance and I, so you guys can get a better idea of the fashion, quality, and diversity of items sold. So enough chitter chatter, let's go ahead to the unboxing / unbagging. First, they left this note. Let's see what it says. Dear Ash on the Line, thank you so much for taking the time to review our clothing brand. We really appreciate your effort to share your thoughts about our products. Your insights are invaluable to us, and your support helps us reach more people who might love our clothing. Thanks again for everything. Best wishes, The Elect. That's so considerate. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Ooh, okay. Packaged very well. But ooh, these look not. Oh, there's SZA in here. I see SZA. What? Oh, okay. So this must be my fiance's. We'll put that one to the side for now. We'll open my bag. Ooh, I like these little cards. Like their logo. Pretty nice. Oh, we got like some little sticker stuff, some decorum. It looks so nice. Oh, look. Y'all are seeing it before I fully see it. Ooh, Aaliyah. You know, you gotta love Aaliyah, right? That's so nice. Yes, and we got SZA. We got SZA. Ooh, SZA Control. Yes, y'all, I have this album on vinyl. These are so nice. So now I got the shirt to match the vinyl. These are really nice. I might wear this one today, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, this is so soft too. They legit look like pretty brand new. We love a black t-shirt, especially, and we love Aaliyah, right? Okay. Let's open my fiance's shirt. It's looking like some Eazy-E. Oh, he's got a couple too. What? Love the little decor. Oh, yes. He loves the Joker, so this is perfect. Ooh, and then Eazy-E. Yes. These are so nice. You really can't really tell that they're restocked. Like, of course they're resold, so there's like little things here and there, but for the most part people are gonna think these are brand new shirts, you know. I love the quality. If you check their website, their prices aren't outrageous, they're affordable, which I love. This shirt that I'm wearing, Doja Cat, is actually from their website. Yeah, this is so nice. I really love this shirt. I might put this SZA one on like right now. Oh, this is so soft on the inside, you guys. Yes, this is so cute. This looks like really good. Whether you're looking for a new statement piece for your wardrobe or just some casual clothes around the house, The Elect has something for everyone. So go ahead and check out The Elect today. Links will be below in the description. You might want to be quick about it because your ideal shirt could sell out. So check out their site and let me know what you'll be purchasing from The Elect. And also, I'd like to give a special thank you to The Elect for sending these shirts and letting me do a review video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!